After Bhishma's death, Duryodhana approached Guru Dronacharya and asked, "You need not kill the Pandavas. Capture Yudhishthira when alive and bring him to me." Dronacharya replied, "I will fulfill my promise to capture Yudhishthira by tomorrow evening." The next day, Dronacharya fought very ferociously and reached a point where he could capture Yudhishthira within a few moments. While fighting at another corner of the battlefield, Krishna and Arjuna heard the soldiers shouting, "Yudhishthira will get captured." Then, Arjuna asked Krishna to drive his chariot towards Yudhishthira. Krishna drove the chariot so quickly that they reached Yudhishthira before Dronacharya's arrival. As a mother cares for her children, God also cares for his devotees. Arjuna fought bravely and drove away Dronacharya. Then Dronacharya approached Duryodhana and said, "I tried my best to fulfill my promise to capture Yudhishthira. However, I now understand that as long as Krishna and Arjuna are alive on the battlefield, I can't fulfill my promise. I accept my defeat."
When the Mahabharata war was over, Krishna said, "O Arjuna, you first get down from the chariot, and then I will get down." Arjuna replied, "O Krishna, being the chariot's driver, you have to get down first." Krishna said, "You are right, but today, you get down from the chariot before me." Arjuna got down from the chariot. Then Krishna immediately jumped out of the chariot. Immediately, the chariot exploded and turned into ashes. Arjuna was completely shocked and asked Krishna the reason for the same. Krishna said, "Several dreadful weapons have been used against you in the war. I have suppressed them all under my feet. Today, I have released them. It is those weapons which turned the chariot into ashes."
but